Do your parents live in Alabama, but you and your siblings live elsewhere? Under Alabama law, if your parents don't have a will, then an out-of-state resident cannot be the administrator of the estate. I got another call recently from someone whose mother had just died in Alabama, but he lives in another state, and she died without a will. When someone dies, the big question, was there a will? If so, the local court usually probates the will and issues letters testamentary to the person named as executor in the will to serve as such. So long as everyone gets along and the assets are greater than the debts, there usually isn't too much trouble. If there is no will, the local probate court, upon the request of the heirs or the creditors, if there's lots of debt, opens an estate by issuing letters of administration. This process is more tedious and expensive because the administrator, unlike an executor under a will, has to ask the court's permission or approval at several points in the process. And if you and your siblings live outside of Alabama, you'll be spectators in the administration of your parents' estate. You cannot be administrator under Alabama law. I'm a probate lawyer licensed in Alabama. I would much rather help your parents with an estate plan while they're alive than to work through the complications of death without a will for out-of-state heirs. If your parents live in Alabama, bug them to make sure they have wills. Call me. If I cannot help you myself, I will do what I can to help you or your parents find the right person.